हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, स्वागत है एक बार फिर से आप सभी का एबी क्लासेस पर। और मैं आयुष बिंदल आज आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगा क्लास 10th के चैप्टर पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स के अलजेब्रिक मेथड सॉल्यूशन को। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। क्लास 10th चैप्टर पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स। आज हम टॉपिक शुरू करेंगे अलजेब्रिक मेथड ऑफ सॉल्यूशन। अलजेब्रिक मेथड के अंदर आपके तीन मेथड आते हैं। नंबर 1 सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड, नंबर 2 एलिमिनेशन मेथड, नंबर 3 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड। सो आज सबसे पहले मैं बात करूंगा सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड की। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट मेथड इज सब्स्टिट्यूशन method. Let we have a pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. In this method, we have substitute the one variable value in terms of other in the other equation. It means हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें किसी भी एक इक्वेशन से एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू निकालेंगे दूसरे वेरिएबल की टर्म में और उसको दूसरे इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे, जिससे हमारे पास उस वेरिएबल की वैल्यू आ जाएगी। दैट इज टेक, सपोज करिए टेक फर्स्ट, इससे मैं निकालता हूँ आपके y की वैल्यू। सो आई गेट c1 माइनस a1x b1y इक्वल टू and y equal to c1 minus a1x upon b1. Now this is your first, this is your second, and this is your third. Substitute third in second, third into second. जब हम इसको इसमें रखेंगे तो we get a2x plus c1 minus a1x upon b1 whole into b2 is equal to c2. यहाँ से आप अब x की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं। we got x and then say this equation equal to 4 and now substitute the value of x in third, so we get the value of y. Substitute value of x in third, we get y value. This is your substitution method. अब हम देखते हैं इसके कुछ क्वेश्चंस। हम देखते हैं इसके कुछ क्वेश्चंस को। एक्सरसाइज 3.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का फर्स्ट पार्ट। वी हैव x plus y equal to 14 and x minus y equal to 4. This is given. To find x and y. Now we have to solve it. solution. Say this is first and this is second. Take equation number 1. We have x plus y equal to 14. So here we got y value which is equal to 14 minus x. Say this equation as a third equation. Now substitute this value in second. So we can write substitute value of y in second using third. So we get x minus 14 minus x equal to 4, which is equal to x minus 14 plus x is equal to 4. 2x is equal to 14 जब उधर जाएगा तो सम में हो जाएगा 14 plus 4 is equal to 18, which gives x is equal to 9. Say this is your fourth. Now substitute this value in third. Substitute value of x in third using fourth. We get y is equal to 14 minus 9, which gives you 5. This is your answer. X value is 9 and y value is 5. अब इसके कुछ क्वेश्चन और देखते हैं. अब हम देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. We have 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. This is your given value. Also we have y equal to mx plus 3. To find x, y and m. So solution. Now first we have to find x and y for getting m. So take these two equations. According to question we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. So now we can write it as 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. Say this is your first. And this is your second. Now substitute in equation second using equation 1. We get, so substitute 2x value 11 minus 3y in second. We get 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So here we get minus 7y plus 11 उधर जाएगा minus 11, minus 24 and minus 11 gives you minus 35. Minus से minus cancel and 7 5s are 35. So we get y equal to 5. This is your third. Now substitute y value in first. That is substitute value of y using third into first. We get we get 2x is equal to 11 minus 3 into 5, which is equal to your 2x is equal to 11 minus 15, which gives you 2x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to minus 2. That is your answer. That is the value of x and y. Now we have to find the value of m. So we substitute these two values in this equation. So take y equal to mx plus 3, substitute value of y and x using, say this equation is your fourth, using third and fourth, we get y की वैल्यू है 5, x is your minus 2 plus 3. This gives you 5 minus 3 is 2, which is equal to minus 2 m, and implies that m is equal to minus 1. This is your required answer. तो हम देखते हैं आगे कुछ और क्वेश्चंस को. अब हम देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का सेकंड पार्ट. We have the larger of the two supplementary angles exceed the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. Let two supplementary angle B, x and y, and let x is greater than y. Supplementary angles का सम होता है 180, as we know. The two supplementary angle sum is 180. So x plus y equal to 180. And according to question, the larger of two exceed by smaller by 18 degrees. That is x minus y equal to 18. So we get here x is equal to 18 plus y. Say this is your first and this is your second. Now substitute value of x into first. So substitute value of x in first using 2. So we get 18 plus y is equal to 180 and 2y equal to 180 degree minus 18 degree, which is gives you 162 degree, and y gives you 81 degree. This is your y value. Now we have to find out the value of x. So substitute this value in second. Substitute y equal to 81 in second. We get x is equal to 18 plus 81. This is your 99 degree. That is your required answer. This is your क्वेश्चन 3 का सेकंड पार्ट. अब हम एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन और देखेंगे इस टॉपिक का. fifth part, no sorry, fourth part. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. So what are the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer? And also, how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? So let fixed charge be rupees X and charges per kilometer be rupees Y. Now, according to question, for a distance of 10 km, that is your distance is 10, the charge paid is rupees 105. The total charge for 10 km is your 105, which is include a fixed charge, and kilometer is your 10, so we multiply by 10 here. This gives you x plus 10y equal to 105. This is your, and we can evaluate here x is equal to 105 minus 10y. 105 minus 10y. Say it is as first. Next is for the journey of 15 km, the total charge is 155. So fixed charge plus kilometer is 15 into charge per kilometer gives you 155. Now substitute the value of x. So substitute value of x from equation number 1. We get 105 minus 10y plus 15y equal to 155, which gives you 5y equal to 155 minus 105 is equal to 50. So the charges per kilometer remains 10 rupees. Okay, now substitute this value in this. So substitute y equal to rupees 10 in equation number 1. We get x is equal to 105 minus 10y, that is your 10 into 10, which gives you rupees 5. 105 minus 100 equal to 5. This is the value of fixed charge and this is the value of charges per kilometer. You have to find out these two and we can evaluate. So now, one more question here. How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? Now we can easily calculate because we have charges per kilometer and the fixed charge. So amount paid for 25 kilometer is equal to fixed charge plus y into 25. X value is 5, y value is your 10 into 25. 5 plus 250, which gives you 255 rupees. This is your required answer. So आज के लिए इतना ही. हम फिर मिलेंगे इसके आगे कंसेप्ट के साथ एक नई वीडियो में. So if you have any query related to this, so you can ask me in the comment section or DM me on my Instagram.